Hey everyone, Morgan here. Come with me on a journey through Walmart to see some of the best survival gear on a budget. Okay, let's get started. So we got this extra large blanket, this medical kit, first aid kit. We got this really nice stove. I like this one actually. I have this one, something similar. I like it. We got some candles and we got some, oh yeah, hey, this camper's knife. Eat and knife. Oh, these can openers are pretty good too. Those are really nice. But okay, so we got some drinking water. I got some stormproof matches. Actually, that was purification tablets, not drinking water. All right, so I am going to go ahead and pick up this camper's tool here, a multi-tool. It's not terrible. It's not the worst of the worst. So they do have these stoves. I really like these stoves. All you need is like propane with them and then get a cook pot and put them on top. This is actually a pretty good deal, 17 bucks for this whole, the stand and that. And then this is a headlamp. You can't really see. It's for $5 headlamp. It's not rechargeable. It's with batteries. You could also get a Sawyer. I'm not going to take that off, but you could get that instead of the tablets. So adding all of this up, including that headlamp that I didn't get them out, it comes to $60.91. I feel like things used to be cheaper, things used to definitely be a lot cheaper, like getting these few things for 60 bucks, but there's a lot here to choose from. I really like that little tiny saw. It's cool. And then this is paracord. This is not actually the paracord that I would recommend. I think Ozark Trail brand for 12 bucks for 100 feet, I think is a little bit expensive. I could be wrong. Maybe that's gone up in price too, but there's also a bunch of different first aid kits. There's trauma kits. There's bigger first aid kits, for like at home kits, traveling kits. There's trauma packs, as you can see. Quick Clot, I definitely recommend everyone has some Quick Clot. It is expensive, but it's really nice. You don't have to get all this at the exact same time either, okay? This is just giving you ideas on what you could get at your store. I came to Walmart just because this is a store that like most people have. You can go to any local sports or online or wherever you want to get your stuff. You can get different, brands, whatever you want. But, this is just to give you an idea that anything could be found on a budget. This was 50 bucks worth of stuff and it gets you started and you can just expand on there, okay? You're covering your basic needs with this stuff. Over here is, all the freeze-dried food that I didn't even cover. Those are probably $8 to $10 a pop there. So, also I didn't really cover like shelter, if you wanted like a tent or something like that. Then that's going to be, and there's tents over there. That's going to be something else entirely, more bigger tarps, things like that. There's a lot to think about when it comes to actual survival and prep stuff. But it's a good basic start. It doesn't seem like a lot for $50, does it? I feel like prices have really gone up with a lot of this stuff, like greatly gone up. And there's stuff here that I used to be able to find. Now I can't find anymore. So anyway, I feel like my Walmart is like always kind of in shambles too. Like there's just like not a lot of stuff available sometimes. Look at this. I should try this out. All season blanket. Look how big this is. Ooh, it's only 18 bucks. Think of gear as tools to help you with your skills. Skills are super important, but the gear is going to help you further your skills and knowledge. They are tools to be used, okay? Yes, you can survive a lot on skills and wits and whatever, but these tools are here to help us get along with thriving, okay? So that you don't have to worry about, the heat or the light or any of these other things. You are getting, these things based on the tools that you get. So, these tools that I got, these brands really aren't so bad. Other people will disagree.
It looks like the refill.
And then there's toys, which is perfect survival gear for kids.
She's looking at toy
all the
weapons.
Toys. See? Toy weapons. This is the perfect survival. You guys are great kids. Look at you. So get things a little bit at a time, improve your skills, improve your tools, start with something, and then, build on from there and get more, advanced stuff or whatever. Ooh, here's some good combos. $54 for that, $72 for that. Yeah, but not bad. Good stuff here. Shovel, yeah. They always get me. Had to get something. She got new
mittens so snow doesn't get in her hands anymore. Definitely survival related.
When it comes to gear, gear is part of your tools. It's the part of your prepper and survival trade, right? Like, you know, carpenters have tools that they use sometimes. They use some tools more often than they'll use other tools. But we have a variety of tools and things at our disposal for just such circumstances, right? So I'm going to have another video coming up on how you can make your own little survival kits and things like that. But thank you so much for watching. Let me know what other budget gear you recommend, whether it's online or in store, that you recommend down for anybody else on a budget. Be sure to check out all the other survival videos in this 30 days of survival tips. Comment down below. Thank you so much, and almost Happy New Year. Well, it's New Year's Eve at the time of posting this, so Happy New Year's Eve. Conquer tomorrow, we're prepared today. Bye-bye.